seas and waters are under pressure. Pollution, biodiversity loss and climate change are threatening the Mediterranean Sea and the communities who depend on it.
We all know that the ocean connects us. We only have one ocean. There's a very clear link between the human health and the ocean health.
My hope is that by the end of the project, the local communities, industries, all stakeholders in Europe will be more aware.
We hope and we wish that restoring Mediterranean will not always start from scratch.
In order to really bring the change into our communities, first we need to start the change within us.
People from research, academic, companies, civic society organizations, policymakers, all coming together with a common mission.
Key priorities of the TASC-RestoreMed program are actually to enable communities to perform important for them, for their local environment actions that are helping to restore the oceans, restore the environment, to protect the very important resource we have on the earth.